obviously the defence with Sam is like a work on as part of the wider game, but is it something you've specifically kind of spoken to him about around technique, about body position?
Neil, you know, like that. Obviously, I understand your question again, but the loaded questions, like, you know what I mean, because then it's obvious that we have to talk about that. Like, but your question could be asked about any single player throughout. Of course, we constantly talk to individuals about all aspects of the play. So to think that we're just focusing on one aspect of one player is not right, like, you know, because for example, I spoke to our two leaders yesterday about certain aspects of their game. I'm talking about Kevin and Dan Sheehan now, world-class players, and they agree with the work-ons. You know what I mean? So it is constant throughout for every single member of every single squad in World Rugby.